Welcome all of you. In this video you are going to learn about single phase AC voltage controller or regulator. So what is there? So AC power supply. Okay, I will going to tell you. Okay, just I will going to yes, you have see that one. Yeah, I will going to remove all the things and I will make you connection and then I will going to explain you. Okay. Okay. Okay, see how to make the connections. So here AC power supply is there. Another one is anti-parallel connected to thyristors. Okay, I will going to connect it from here to anode. Okay, and another one is a cathode to that one ammeter. I want to see ammeter 2. I want to connect it to the load, and load 2 I will going to connect it to the another end. Okay, that's all. So this is a point. Then this is another one thyristor anti-parallel connected. So cathode is connected to anode point and anode is connected to the cathode point. Power. So I want to measure the input source. So connected 1 voltmeters is connected to the input source. I want to measure the output. So connected 1 voltmeter across to the load. Yes. So I want to first one waveform I want to see the input. Okay, input voltage. Second I want to see the output voltage. Here I have used one more. Okay. Yes. So one more scope I have used. Okay, and then maybe I will go. I want to see third one is a output current I want to see. So output current is I have connected as a third one. Okay. Then so here I need to see about that. Okay, first I will going to give the pulse. So pulse wise I'm giving to that first thyristor. Second pulse I'm going to give that second thyristor. I gave for that one. Then next one I want to see the pulse. So first pulse. Okay. So what is the delay angle? After that it is a pulse is how it is connected. Okay. Then second pulse also I want to see. So that is I have used one more the scope for the pulse measurement. Okay. Okay. Once okay here. Okay. Uh, yes. I will going to increase the channel. So 4 instead of I want to increase into the 5. I will tell you why I have increased about that one. So I need to see for that once the switch is on. Okay, once switch is this is a switch is on. Corresponding voltage. What is the corresponding voltage? 0. That one I want to see. This M point is there. So just you will gonna connect it here. Yes, I have connected. Similarly, second switch. One switch is on. What is their voltage? Yes, connected. So now we're going to set about the firing pulse. What is the firing pulse you will going to apply? So time period is a okay 1 by 50, that is called 0.02. Pulse width is a 5. Okay, so firing angle I'm going to give the 30. So 30 divided by 360 multiply 0.02. Similarly, bottom side of the firing angle, what is that one? 180 plus. Okay, half of the cycle is completed. Second half cycle is start from 180. 180 plus 30. Okay, it's a 210. Directly you can type. Otherwise, you will going to use the bracket to type it. That by 360 multiply 0.02. Fine. So run the program. Yes, completed. Running is completed. Then double click that one. Yes, press auto. Then zoom. So what is the input? Input waveform is there. This is the input. First one is I'm giving the input waveform. So that is the first one is the input sinusoidal. Then output. Output is what is there I'm using. So I'm using for that one. Okay, 2 AC here. I gave for the 30 degree firing angle. So delay of the 30 degree. Okay. Then this is called output voltage. And another one is the output current. Okay. So it's a AC voltage controller. AC waveform will going to come. Okay. So 30 degree delay, see that one, it's a 30 degree delay, it's conducted. Then second of the resistor also 30 degree delay, so it's conducted. So it's output voltage and this is output current. What about R load? It's output voltage and output current is similar. Okay, what is this waveform? You have one thyristor, one is on, one thyristor, one is on, output voltage become a 0. Output voltage is become a 0. Okay, once the second thyristor is on, so second thyristor is on, Okay, once the second series is on, the output voltage is to become a 0. Okay, so this is about the voltage across the ACRs. See why I am going to click. So this is a positive half cycle. This positive half cycle. This is a this one is showing okay conduction. Once conduction, its output voltage becoming 0. Second half cycle, it's a conduction. Okay, it's a what is the color? Yellow color is showing conduction. Yes, it's a conduction. Across the voltage, it's a 0. Okay, so this is R load. R load. Okay, R load of that one. What is this one? Okay, single phase AC voltage controller. Okay, even you will going to increase the firing angles. Okay, I will going to increase the firing angle. Okay, into the 90, or I will going to increase into 120. I will going to increase. Okay, so bottom side also I need to give 120. So yes, I'm going to increase into the 120. Yes, yes. Then run the program. So 120 firing angle. So check it. See that one 120 firing angles. It is showing 120 positive, then 120 for that negative. So up to once on output voltage become a okay 0. Violet color is showing output become a 0. Once on output, once it is this point is on, output is become a 0. So this is a 120-degree firing angle. So output voltage, output current is similar or load conditions. Thank you. Okay, so far we were discussed about R load. Okay, single phase AC voltage controllers. So what is the firing angle? Lastly, we were applied 120-degree. We were applied okay for one as well as second thyristor also. We gave for that 120-degree. Okay, 180 plus 120 we gave. Okay, next one is RL load. RL load means what? It is similar to the single phase fully conductor converter RL load. RL load means it's operate on the fourth quadrant. Okay, so I will going to change into the RL load. RL load. So it's a 0.01 Henry I'm going to give. So just RL load is changed. So run the program. Yes, run the program. Running is completed. So now we're going to see what is the firing angle. So positive also I mean this first tire is also 120, second tire is also 120. The output voltage, okay, it is a different output current. We're going to see. Okay, see that once. Okay, so this is input positive half cycle and negative half cycles. What about that one positive half cycle? So 120-degree. After that, it's a triggered. Yes, it is a triggered on the positive sides, and then okay pi, and below pi also it is conducted. That is called the beta. I said about the beta. So alpha is starting point angle. Okay, pi is a pi plus beta. This is called the off cycle is conducted. So you see that output current starting from this point and ending from this point. See that one output current is starting from this point and ending to up to this point. Yes. Similarly, second half cycle 120-degree delay. Then another one is conducted on the negative side and coming to the 2 pi plus alpha, 2 pi plus alpha. So this is a end point. What is this one? Okay, it is a complete end point is a 2 pi plus alpha. This is end point. What is the starting point? This is a starting point. What is the starting point? It's a pi plus this is called a pi plus beta plus alpha. You can say pi plus beta. Yeah, beta. This point is beta, pi plus beta plus alpha. So this is a combined on the 3 point. Combined 3 point from here to here. I have it's a 2 pi plus alpha. Yes. So this is a method. So see that one negative side. It is starting from here, end from here. Start from here, end to up to there. I will going to reduce the firing angle. So I will going to reduce the firing angle into that 60. Okay, I will going to reduce into the 60 firing angle. So we're going to see about the firing angle 60. What about waveform? Okay, I gave the firing angle 60. So you will going to look it. Yes. Okay, so this is output. Okay, output. Okay, input wave, I mean waveform. This is our input waveform. Yes, this is the output of my voltage. Okay, okay, another one is my output of the current. I want to change the wave firing angles. Okay, 16 of 90 I'm going to give. Run the program. See the waveform. Yes. So why? Because alpha is less than 90, alpha is greater than 90. Alpha is less than 90, alpha is greater than the 90. As is a fully control converters. See here. So it's our input waveform. Okay, off cycle, next off cycle. So it is 90 degree after the conductor and it is move on the below zero. Okay, as usual, fully control converters. So from starting the output current is starting from here alpha to beta. Okay, then here is a this is a point started and end up to this is a point. Yes, so this is about the okay all okay, so this is about the waveform. Okay, waveform. Okay, so alpha is less than 90, alpha is greater than 90. So less than 90 means similar to that R load, similar to the R load it is a waveform, it is coming on that one. So not okay, go on the fourth quadrant. That's all, it is not operate on the fourth quadrant. So inductance nature is very less on that ones, less than 90 degree, it's a rectification operation only major. That's all. Single phase single phase okay AC voltage regulator. So far we were discussed R load and R load and RL load. So next one what you are going to, so RL load, okay, it is alpha alpha less than 90 degree, it's a rectification only. Okay, then alpha greater than 90 degree, if I have see that one, then it is a it will going to operate on the inverse, I mean that is a fourth quadrant. So rectification means you will going to actually it's say it is similar to the, I am saying about similar to that similar to I will go to write it is similar to single phase fully control converters. Okay, so that is what is a single phase fully control converter, that is we were discussed. So greater than means inversion mode. So inversion mode means braking, dynamic braking, or quarter number 4 operation. This is a quarter number 1 only operations. So coming to that one, so RL load, okay, from that one I will go to okay, so this is about fully control converters. So particularly in that cases alpha is equal less than 90 degree, less than greater than 90 degree. So here simply say about only for the quadrant number 1 operations, here quadrant number 2 operations. Okay, so this is a quadrant number okay Q4 operations. Okay, that's all, thank you.